Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best full pink sheet set available. The elegant, comfort, luxurious 1500 premium hotel quality microfiber 4-piece bed sheet set in light pink. If you're looking for a combination of softness, durability, and style, this set promises to deliver an exceptional sleeping experience. From the moment you unpack this sheet set, you'll notice the attention to detail and the luxurious feel. Crafted from high-quality microfiber fabric, these sheets are designed to mimic the softness of 1500 thread count Egyptian cotton while being more durable and wrinkle-resistant. The material is incredibly soft to the touch, lightweight, and breathable, which makes it comfortable all year round. Whether it's summer or winter, you can count on these sheets to keep you cozy without overheating. One of the standout features is the elegant 3-line embroidery on the pillowcases, adding a subtle but sophisticated touch to your bedding. This detail elevates the overall look, making your bed appear neat and stylish without sacrificing comfort. The fitted sheet comes with deep pockets and is fully elasticized, fitting mattresses up to 16 inches thick snugly and securely. This ensures the sheets stay in place throughout the night, giving you peace of mind. Durability is a key aspect here. The microfiber weave is designed to resist fading, shrinking, and tearing, even after multiple washes. This means your light pink sheets will retain their vibrant color and smooth texture for years. Caring for them is also hassle-free. Just a quick cold water wash and tumble dry on low heat is all you need to keep them looking fresh and wrinkle-free. The fabric is also designed to be resistant to pilling, which keeps the softness intact over time. The set includes one flat sheet, one fitted sheet, and 2 standard pillowcases, making it a complete bedding solution that's perfect for a full-size bed. Weighing just about 3 pounds, the sheets are easy to handle, store, and transport. The microfiber fabric is also breathable and cool to the touch, helping to regulate your body temperature as you sleep. Elegant comfort takes pride in blending luxury with performance, and this set reflects that philosophy well. The microfiber yarns used are finer, longer, and stronger than silk, with a meticulous brushing and conditioning process that results in a silky, smooth finish. This means that you're not only getting a product that looks good but one that feels indulgent every time you slip into bed. In addition to comfort and durability, the product is made with safer chemicals and holds certifications like OEKO Tech Standard 100, ensuring it meets strict environmental and health standards. This makes it a great choice for anyone who values quality and sustainability in their home textiles. Overall, the elegant, comfort, luxurious 1500 premium microfiber sheet set in light pink is a fantastic option for anyone searching for a high-quality, stylish, and easy-care bedding set. Its combination of softness, durability, vibrant color, and thoughtful design features make it a worthy investment for your bedroom. If you want a full pink sheet set that offers luxury hotel quality at home, this is definitely one to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest and detailed product reviews. Sleep well and see you in the next video.